You don't want to wake up in the middle of the night engulfed in flames and melting sleeping bags. But I'm a little skeptical about whether that's really an issue, so we're going to test it out. That's a lot more than a little spark, so if those coals don't light it on fire, I think we're okay. I think you need the combination of sparks and wind for that to light on fire. Certainly isn't going up like a blazing inferno. It's been a fun little campsite, but I think it's time to put the fire out and go hunting. The things I'm hunting, like rabbits, grouse, and ptarmigan, they all live off of these willows.